Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English speaking practice podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. Hi, listeners. Today, we're going to talk about a fun topic, vacations. Everyone loves holidays, right?
Exactly. And because this is an IELTS style practice, we'll ask each other common questions about vacations and give simple, clear answers. We'll also explain some useful words and phrases along the way.
Perfect. Let's start with a basic question. Emma, do you like going on vacation?
Yes, I love going on vacation. It's a chance to relax, see new places, and take a break from work. My favorite vacations are usually to nature, beaches, mountains, or forests. I feel happier and more relaxed when I'm outside in the fresh air.
Great answer. You gave reasons. That's very important for IELTS. Okay, my turn. Ben, what kind of vacation do you enjoy the most? I like adventure vacations the most. I enjoy hiking, biking, or exploring new cities. For example, last year I went to a small village in the mountains. I tried local food, hiked a trail, and even learned some traditional dances. It was exciting and different from my normal life.
That's awesome. You gave a personal example. That's perfect for IELTS. Okay, next question. Where do you usually go on vacation?
Usually, I go to nearby cities or nature spots. Sometimes I travel abroad, but I prefer places that are peaceful and not too crowded. I like visiting places where I can see beautiful scenery and learn about the local culture.
Yes, that's a nice answer. I usually go to the beach or small towns. I like places that are quiet and I can walk around, take pictures, or read a book by the sea.
Great. Let's try a question about frequency. How often do you go on vacation?
I try to go on vacation at least once or twice a year. Sometimes it's a short trip for a weekend, and sometimes it's a longer trip for a week or more. It depends on my work and budget.
Yes, you used depends on. That's a good phrase for IELTS. I also go once or twice a year. I like short trips because they're easy to plan and relaxing, but long trips are better if I want to explore a new country.
Perfect. Okay, let's answer a question about memories. What is your most memorable vacation?
I think my most memorable vacation was a trip to Italy. I visited Rome, Venice, and Florence. The food was amazing. Pizza, pasta, gelato. I also saw famous buildings and museums. One day I accidentally got lost in Venice, but a local helped me find my way. That was stressful at first, but later it became a fun story.
Oh, that sounds great. My most memorable vacation was in Thailand. I went to a small island and stayed in a little bamboo house near the sea. I woke up early to watch the sunrise and swam in the ocean every morning. It was peaceful and beautiful.
Nice. Adding stories like that makes your answers interesting. That's exactly what IELTS examiners like.
Yes. Let's try a future-oriented question. Where would you like to go on vacation in the future?
I would love to go to Japan. I'm interested in the culture, food, and history. I want to see temples, try sushi, and visit the mountains. I'd like to experience both the busy cities and the quiet countryside.
I'd like to visit New Zealand. I've seen many pictures of its landscapes, lakes, mountains, and forests. I also like outdoor activities like hiking and kayaking, so it would be perfect for me.
Great answers. Next, let's talk about travel style. Do you prefer traveling alone or with friends or family?
I prefer traveling with family or friends. It's more fun to share experiences, and you can help each other if something goes wrong. But sometimes I enjoy traveling alone too, especially if I want peace and freedom.
I usually travel with friends. It's exciting and more social. We can try new things together like food, sports, or visiting museums. But solo travel is nice for thinking, relaxing, and exploring at your own pace.
Good. Let's answer a question about planning. Do you usually plan your vacations or travel spontaneously?
I like to plan most of my vacations. I usually book flights, hotels, and activities in advance. It's safer and less stressful. But sometimes spontaneous trips are fun too. For example, last summer I went to a small town without booking anything, and I discovered some hidden gems.
Yes, planning is important, but flexibility is also nice. I usually plan big trips, but leave 1 or 2 days free for exploring or relaxing.
Okay, let's try a question about local vacations. Do you prefer vacationing in your own country or abroad?
I enjoy both. Local vacations are easier and cheaper. You can also discover interesting places near your city. But traveling abroad is exciting because you learn about new cultures, languages, and foods.
I agree. Last year I went to my own country's mountains and it was amazing. I also enjoy international trips because it feels like a complete adventure.
All right, let's answer a question about holiday experiences. Have you ever had a bad vacation experience?
Yes. Once I went to a beach resort, but it rained the whole time. We couldn't go swimming or sunbathe. At first, I was disappointed, but later we explored nearby towns, tried local restaurants, and made it fun anyway.
I had a similar experience once in Paris. I missed my train and got lost while trying to find my hotel. It was stressful, but later it became a fun story to tell friends.
Exactly. Sometimes bad experiences make the trip more memorable.
Okay, a final fun question. If you could have any type of vacation right now, what would it be?
I would love a mountain vacation with lots of hiking during the day and relaxing in a small cabin at night. Fresh air, peace, and beautiful scenery. That's perfect for me.
I'd like a beach vacation with my favorite book and a hammock. I'd swim, sunbathe, and just relax. Pure relaxation.
Great answers. Okay, listeners, now it's your turn. Try answering some of these questions out loud. Where do you usually go on vacation? What is your most memorable vacation? Do you prefer traveling alone or with others? Do you usually plan your trips or travel spontaneously?
Remember, speak clearly, give reasons, and use examples. Try to use new words like memorable, spontaneous, relaxation, and adventure.
Yes, and you can pause after each question and answer yourself. Record your answers and listen again. It's great speaking practice.
All right, that's it for today's episode. Thanks for listening.
If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe and follow our podcast for more IELTS speaking practice. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.